Welcome to the Smart Appointment Booking System. In this walkthrough, we will provide an overview of the user interface, starting with a demonstration of both the dark and light themes. To begin, users can either create a new account or sign in to an existing one. A new account can be linked to a Facebook or Google profile, or created directly with an email address. For this walkthrough, lead a Euro-S sign in with an existing Google account. After signing in, users can choose their role: provider, a seeker, or an orchestrator. For this example, we will proceed as a seeker. Now we land on the dashboard page. The top right corner of the dashboard displays the current role, which is now seeker. We can also reset role to be a provider or an orchestrator. To start booking an appointment, we first select a preferred date. Let's pick the 23rd of September over here. The AI assistant also allows natural language queries. For instance, if I type, "I want to book a lawyer a Euro-S appointment," and press enter, the assistant searches for available legal providers. If any, since no legal providers are available in this case, the system shows a Euro-UINO providers available. Next, let's try booking with a dentist. Instead of directly typing "I want a dentist appointment," and I will enter "I have pain in my tooth," the assistant automatically understands the intent and suggests available slots with Dr. Vishal, a dentist. Let's proceed to book an appointment for September 23rd at 10 a.m. Since 10 a.m. is unavailable, the assistant prompts me to choose from the available slots. Let's retry. This time I will update the time to 9 a.m. As the slot was available, the appointment is now successfully booked with Dr. Vishal. It now appears on the provider's dashboard for them to approve. Next, let's quickly log in as Dr. Vishal, the provider. As Dr. Vishal is a provider, we click on Provider here. At the top right corner, we see we are logged in as provider. As discussed earlier, we can also reset roles, such that a seeker can act as a provider, or vice versa as needed. Let's choose the 23rd of September again. As you can see, the provider dashboard for September 23rd displays all scheduled appointments. The provider can also add new slots or adjust availability using the Manage Availability option. Let's add a slot from 1:34 p.m. to 2 p.m. for the 23rd of September. Click on Save Changes. And we see the availability is updated for same. Now let's see our appointments for the 24th of September. Here we can see the appointments for the 24th of September. Providers also have the option to accept, reschedule, or cancel appointments. Let's accept this scheduled appointment for 2 p.m. Once accepted, the seeker is notified instantly. Switching back to the seeker dashboard, we can see that the appointment status is updated to confirmed. As shown here, the provider receives an email stating the appointment details like patient's name, email, appointment date and time. Similarly, the patient also receives an email for appointment confirmation with appointment details. At this point, the dentist appointment has been successfully scheduled. The provider also has the flexibility to reschedule appointments. If I click Reschedule here, and click on Confirm. The seeker is notified immediately about the appointment rescheduling. Moving back to the user dashboard, we see that the appointment was rescheduled by provider, and the user can continue in the chat window to select the available slots again. Thank you.